Today, I'll show you how to do your CoinTiger crypto taxes. Hello, my name is Nelly. Welcome back to another wallet integration video. Today we're talking about CoinTiger and specifically how to do your crypto taxes with the help of Koinly. So I'll tell you a little bit about this exchange, then I'll jump into the integration, and then I'll show you how to get the necessary tax documentation. Lastly, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, I'll gladly answer those and I'll leave you with a bunch of different resources. But without further ado, let's jump into it. So CoinTiger was founded in 2017 and it's based out of Singapore. Currently, it is a top 100 exchange by trading volume. They have a vast feature set from your standard spot trading to futures to staking to even their own activity rewards and a mystery box area. So I don't know how many users are using all these features, but they do have plenty of them. So definitely something probably for more advanced traders, and maybe beginners would probably stay clear of this platform. But yeah, that's enough about them. Let's jump into the integration. So first step, as always, log into your Koinly account. If you don't have one, you can make one. It's completely free to sign up. Once you're ready, go into the wallets area, then click on add wallet. We're going to type in CoinTiger. So CoinT, and there it is, this cool logo. And as you can see, the setup autosync is in beta, which means the API is currently unavailable. Maybe by the time you're watching this video, it is, but for now it isn't. So we're gonna have to do this the old-fashioned way, which is importing CSV files. So let's click import from file, and then I'll show you on their exchange where to go. So on their exchange, in the top right corner, you're gonna obviously log into your account. Then you're gonna click on order and filled order history. From here in the top right corner, there's a little XLS file icon, and that is how you're going to download your transaction history. There is one pretty substantial thing to note here. So filled order history only displays the records of the last 4 months. If you wish to query more, please apply by sending an email of your handheld passport, blah, blah, blah. So there's a few different things you can do here. You could reach out to them and potentially get a bigger file, or alternatively, you can try to go back and just download 4 months at a time for your transactions if that's available. That might be available when you're watching this video. Or the final option, which is probably the most tedious one, is that you would have to create a CSV file, which I've made plenty of videos. So whichever option you'd like. So let's hypothetically say I'd like to just have my last 4 months. I would click here, and then I would click export this file. And then if I have transactions here, that file would pop up and I would be able to. So we would take that file, drag it and drop it, and click import, and it's as simple as that. Now, obviously, if you have longer than 4 months of transactions on this account, you're gonna have to find a different way to get all of those, all of that information in, whether it's requesting multiple files, taking, 4-month segment until, when you first opened and started using CoinTiger, or alternatively, potentially mailing them or emailing them and asking them for a comprehensive, all-inclusive file. Or lastly, like I said, I'll leave a link down below for a manual file that you can create yourself. So once you're happy with that, once you've imported your data one way or another, you would head into the transactions. If you'd like to have a look underneath the hood, see what's going on here, Koinly has already done the most complex part, which is calculate all your capital gains, your losses, make sure all your staking is tagged correctly. Like we said, CoinTiger does have a staking feature. So if you're doing any of that, make sure, you've tagged it, sent to pool, sent from pool, and making sure these transactions are good. Once you're happy with that, click on tax reports, and here is where you get a final summary of your capital gains, your income, your costs and expenses, and any other information that you can kind of look at throughout the year to see where your crypto taxes are going to end up. Once you're happy with that, you would scroll on down and select a tax report that's appropriate for your needs. And we have plenty of different tax reports. So as you see on the screen before you, we have for the US, we have the IRS Schedule D, Form 8949. You can also export to TurboTax, both desktop and on online versions. We have reports for UK, Sweden, Norway, France, Switzerland, Australia, and then lastly, Canada, Germany, other countries. We have the complete tax report, which, keep in mind is a document you can print off and give directly to an accountant to combine with your other tax documentation, or alternatively, you can invite them to Koinly to set up their accountancy firm here with us. And then lastly, obviously check your country's rules and regulations because this tax report might be deductible. But that brings us to the end of this video. If you have any questions, I'm going to leave a bunch of different resources down below. Starting off firstly with the Koinly Help Center with countless different crypto tax related articles. We have a feedback section if you're having any issues with our software. We have a discussion section where you can talk to members of our community as well as our staff. And then lastly, we have a contact section where you can send us a message directly and we'd love to help you out. So if you found this video helpful in any way, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more crypto content, and I'll see you next time. Peace.